Hi there, this is Salman from Adobe Media. In today's video, I am going to show you one of the magic tools of Photoshop, Content Aware Fill. Sometimes the images we get may contain letters or other contents that we don't want to. The tools we commonly use to erase them can be time-consuming, such as stamp tool, spot healing, etc. I'm just trying to erase those texts now using stamp tool and spot healing. As I said earlier, it's a time-consuming task and also macOS. In this case, we are using Content Aware Fill, which was first introduced in Photoshop CC versions. First, we need to select the area that we want to erase. I'm using the method of color range from selection menu, then sampling with the highlights. It will help to select the white area only. Then expanding the selection with 2 pixels to ensure the selection. Then we are using the magic tool Content Aware from Fill options, that's in the Edit menu. The task is over now. All the pics are erased completely. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to drop a like below and subscribe to my channel for more contents like this. I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much.